Good morning and welcome to the Bong Wanderers. If you have been following us, then you know by now that the Bong Wanderers are now in Tadoba. And this is day 2 and it's 10th of March. It's 5:15 a.m. in the morning. Like I told you yesterday, that today is going to be an action packed day. So, right now, we are heading for our first safari in Tadoba, the morning safari. And we are expected to report to the reception by 5:30. So, we have to hustle. But the only thing is, if you don't know, then this would be a good piece of information for you. You cannot carry your gadgets. So, you cannot carry your mobile phones, you cannot carry your drone. The only thing that you can carry inside the jungle will be your camera, any sorts of camera, action camera, SLR camera, any camera that you have. So make sure that you bring in those equipments if you are planning to make a trip to the Tadoba jungles, because that's what you are allowed. So come with us while we explore the jungles of Tadoba. Fingers crossed. I hope the royal animal shows, or makes an appearance in front of us. And also, let's explore the other aspects of jungle.
Goat.
इंडियन गोर होते हैं.
See the Indian goat.
चलो टाइगर
चलो चलो चलो.
टाइगर टाइगर टाइगर.
अरे टाइगर मिलेगा मिलेगा मिलेगा, टेंशन मत लो. See that beautiful goat. Lactic. Here.
भैया डियर बाद में देखेंगे, पहले टाइगर देख के आते हैं.
इतने डियर ही हाथ दिख रहे हैं जा देखिए
आप लोग की शक्ल देखे थे.
खड़ा है ना सामने ब्लॉक कर.
चश्मा गिर गया उसका. आवाज इतना आवाज करोगे तो भाग जाएगा ना.
So it's 11 now, and we are done with the first safari. I hope you liked the glimpses from our morning safari. We are right now at their all-day dining place, having breakfast. At least, trying to have a proper breakfast because it's very late, and we were super hungry. So we just finished the breakfast. Didn't even have time to vlog or capture the moment because everybody was super hungry. I think it was a very fulfilling safari, and right now we are just relishing a cup of tea after the breakfast, and then we are going to run to the room because we also have to give Angel food because we left at early morning. We left in the early morning, so we did not get time to give food to Angel, and that is why we have to kind of rush back to our room give Angel food, probably just take a little bit of rest, and then again head for the afternoon safari because we have two safaris today. So let's see. So today we are going to the Zari Gate for afternoon safari, and people have said that they have spotted tigers over the past few days in the Zari Gate zone. Fingers crossed. Let's see. So we are going to the Zari Gate in our moto because it's pretty hot outside, and that too it's 2:15 in the afternoon. So you can imagine the humidity and the heat. And we chose to ride in moto for the sheer comfort. And we will take the jeep from the Zari Gate. Driving through the buffer zone to Zari Gate. Road is pretty bumpy. So we were hearing the sound of Indian fowl, and we are told that this is the sound that they make when they see a snake or an eagle. So this is their alarm call. So every animal gives an alarm call to every other animal for different reasons. Though of course most of the time we are looking for the alarm call that helps us to spot a tiger, but this is another type of alarm call that you wouldn't hear often.
We're waiting for the Indian road to pass. It said that if it feels intimidated, it can actually topple over the entire car. So that's why we're giving it away to pass through.
We are obviously hunting, though we are the hunted, but in the jungle, but we are hunting for the majestic animal. We are in the territory of K Mark. Tigers are named because of a couple of things, because of their stripes, because of certain mark on their bodies, or because of their ancestors, So K Mark is named because of a K mark on one side of the face. So we saw K Mark's cubs in the morning, and now we are scooting for K Mark herself or her cubs because they are pretty much moving in this entire zone. The zone which we visited in the morning, as well as the zone which we are visiting now, along with someone called Junior Mowgli, which is a he tiger. So let's see. You need to have a lot of patience to see the majestic animal. So let's see if we are lucky today. That's the Zari Pet Safari Gate through which we entered for our afternoon safari. So done with our afternoon safari, and it's 6:30 now. We are heading back to our resort, and you can see we are completely drained, wasted, and there was so much of dust on our way back to the main gate. I think all of us got bathed in dust, and we have to go and literally rub off those dust of us. But I think we always love to go to jungle. I mean, and take a drive through the jungle. Seeing this, I mean, those who love jungle would be able to relate to this, that it's a different emotion, that all the jeeps one after another line up at the gate, and then you enter, and then there are messages being exchanged between the guides, that hey, I saw a tiger, come to that point, or when one jeep meets the other, and they exchange notes like, okay, there you can see the tiger, there you can see the tiger. So I think those are some of the moments which always give you the kick to go back to the jungle. Crossing a lovely bridge on our way to the resort. So the road on our way back to resort, and I think every time we feel like going to the jungle or back to the wild, I think these are some of the moments that make us want to go to jungle every time. It's just the sheer experience of driving through these meandering roads. It's completely dark, no one on either side of the road. You're filled with anticipation of spotting something. It's a feeling which, again, like I was saying, people who love jungle would be able to relate to. It's 9:21 and we are having our dinner now. As you can see, the plates are full with yummy food. Today they have Bengali chicken, and they have peas pulao, they have a fish kebab, and then they have a chicken kebab, and then there is rasam. I mean, there are a lot of choices. If you see our video, yesterday's video, then you would get an idea of the kind of spread they have. So they have chicken curry and either an egg curry or a fish curry, non-veg main course, and then in starters they have a chicken kebab, and for veg they have a lot of options. They have 2 to 3 type of veg starters, which could be gobi manchurian, paneer manchurian, baby corn fry, and then they have dal, paneer. I think dal and paneer is something that is repeated in both lunch and dinner, but with different type of preparation. So the spread is pretty wide, and we are super hungry. So after our afternoon safari, we came back, and then we had a lovely high tea. We bonded with some of the other guests in the property. Met someone called Anthea, as you can see her picture on the screen. She's from Australia, and learned a lot about her. And that's what you do, right? You meet absolute strangers and you hear their stories, and that's the beauty when you travel, right? You meet people, you learn new things. That's how we spent the evening. Then we had to freshen up because 2 safaris really drained us out. So now we are enjoying our dinner, and after that we will head back to our room because it's 9:50 p.m. in the night, and our day 2 at Tadoba ends today. It's been an eventful day. I mean, I must say, we had 2 safaris in one day, so that's a first for us. We had been to a lot of safaris, but 2 safaris in one day is something we have never done. But something that we kind of learned, over the last 1.5 2 years that we have been making a lot of trips to the jungle, that the more safaris you do, the better are your chances of spotting a tiger, right? So which is why, and we didn't have a lot of leaves or option to stay longer, right? We had only 2 days in Tadoba, today and tomorrow, because we are heading back to Hyderabad day after tomorrow. So we have to make the most of it. Now we got 2 safari spots today, thanks to the staff at Red Art Resort for making the last minute arrangements. It was a day well spent. We had a lovely high tea, socialized with few other guests, and had awesome food for both lunch and dinner. So that's how our day today at Tadoba ends. And jungle, I mean, being in the jungle always humbles you. It makes you feel very grounded. You feel so small when you visit jungle. Today we were sitting in a place. I mean, we were in a jeep and we were waiting to see the tiger, and we were waiting for 1.5 hours, and there was absolute silence. We had no mobile, nothing, and we were just sitting in the jeep and waiting. I mean, in today's world, we can't even think about that, right? We are always in our mobile, or we are watching TV or something. We are always doing something. This nothingness is so important. I don't know if that's a word, but doing nothing is so important, because that's how you detox your brain. And detoxing our brain is so needed, because we are always multitasking. We are always thinking 100 things at a one time, and overthinking and fretting and stressing. And when you go to nature, you are like going to the lap of nature, and then just soaking it all, and just giving yourself in. So that's what we all feel as a family whenever we visit the jungle. And let's hope for a better tomorrow. Always there's so much to learn from the jungle. I hope you enjoyed some of the moments that we spent in the jungle, and hope you can plan some trips for your family, with your family and friends to the jungle. On that note, it's a good night from Bong Wanderers. Stay safe, take care, keep exploring incredible India, keep traveling by road. Take your pet, if you have a pet, try to take your pet along with you whenever you can. And keep watching us, keep supporting us. If you have subscribed us, thank you. If you haven't, do subscribe us. Good night, bye bye, love you, take care.